Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Dawn and I do all kinds of videos related to pets and beauty and unboxings and hauls and all kinds of beauty things. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing my January Petit Vour box. Now, Petit Vour, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. It is $18 a month and you get all kinds of green, eco, clean, organic beauty in there in the box. So I took a peek in this month's box. I did not open it, and I've seen other people reviewing them on YouTube and it has mixed reviews. So we're just going to go get right into this box right now so we can see what I got. And let me turn it around. Open it up, and as usual, it is the inside is green on the newer boxes, and it says be bold, be kind, petitvour.com, and they always have these cute little cards right here. So this card, it says be bold, be kind, and I like them every month. They really do a nice job with their cards for the description of the products inside the box. So I'm going to open it up, and the first item I'm going to pull out of the box is this Andalou Naturals Instant Brighten and Tighten Hydra Serum Facial Mask. Now it says on there, an entire spa treatment in one sheet curated to your beauty profile. This mask is a perfect match for your skin type. Okay, it tells you to gently unfold the sheet mask and place soft fiber side on clean, dry face, adjusting the eye, nose, and mouth fittings, and to keep it on for 10 to 20 minutes, and you don't have to rinse after taking it off. Now, I'm not a big fan of sheet masks of this kind, so I may try it, I may not try it. I have to see. My skin has been reacting to all kinds of things, but I'll explain that at the end of the video. And the next item in here, okay, let me see if I can get it out, is this aromatherapy hydrating revitalizing facial oil. That is a very generous sample size, and it says it's a facial oil that nourishes and revitalizes the skin like a rich cream, yet absorbs instantly like a serum. Suitable for all skin types and perfect for dry or mature skin that needs a boost of vitality. It says this sample is worth $15.20 and the full size is $76. And I forgot to mention on this product, it is $5, and this is exactly how it comes. One sheet mask is $5. But on the aromatherapy products, they can be quite expensive. So to see a sample like of this size, this one I'm going to open and check, see if I like it or not. And you can see there's quite a bit of oil in the sample right there. So you can see that it's not a bad sample at all. I don't know how many mils it says it is. It says use morning and night after cleansing and toning. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to fingertips and press into skin. So let me see. This one is just open at the top, so you would have to be careful, but I'm going to put my finger on here and put it on my skin. Oh, it smells really nice. I may be able to use this. This one I will probably like, but I don't know yet, so I have to try it. I'll put that back in there. Okay, and then the next item in the box is the We Love Lashes Eyelid and Eyelash Foaming Cleanser. And this is how it comes. It says, take it all off with this makeup remover that soothes sensitive, dry, and itchy eyes. Perfect for use on eyelash extensions, too. It says, remove contact lenses and shake well prior to use. Okay. Dispense 2 pumps onto clean fingertips. With eyes closed, gently rub onto eyelids and eyelashes. Rinse with water, then towel dry. Use nightly. Okay, I've read a lot of not so positive reviews about this one, that people said their eyes were burning when they were using it, and the reason why is because it says right there, tea tree oil. So I would not be using tea tree oil anywhere near my eyes, especially my skin is extremely sensitive right now. I would probably not use this. I have another one of their products that I received. It was supposed to be a remover as well. It's a little sample, deluxe sample of an oil. I don't like that one at all. That one does not remove anything, so that one is a no-go. And this one, I don't think I would use this one, so this one I would give a pass. And the last item in the oh, I'm sorry. This one has a retail value of $20, so, but I wouldn't use it, so I don't know. Next one is the Petit Vour Cinnamon Lip Plumper, and let me get that out. Okay, see that? A lip balm and plumper in one with the hydrating powers of coconut, almond, and olive oil, and the plumping action of pure cinnamon oil. Used daily for ultra soft, plump lips. And the retail value on this is $18. Now, I don't think I would be using this because cinnamon would be plumping because it's a spice that is very strong. So I don't know if I would use this, but I could pass this on or put it in a giveaway if anybody was interested in this. So yeah, guys, this is the Petit Vour box for the month of January. I have to say I'm not entirely impressed with the box this month. It's not. This one I would probably use. Definitely. This one I'm going to use. As long as my skin doesn't react, I'll use it. I'll have to do a patch test with this one because I've been having a lot of issues. This one I may or may not use. I don't know. I may, because it's a vitamin C brightening mask, I might give it a try. I have no idea how my skin is going to react. This one I definitely will not use. And this one I will definitely not use. So for me, the value of the box for the month, it's still a good value. I mean, the $5 and the $15.20. So it's $20 and I paid $18 for the box. So it's okay. I mean, I would not purchase these. These two I would not go out and purchase on my own. This one, yeah, as I said, the mask. But let me know what you think of the Petit Vour box. Normally they do a lot better than this. They've been really hitting it out of the park lately with their, with the way they've been curating these boxes. And it is a really good subscription box. I mean, if you're just getting into green beauty and you don't know anything about it, or you're trying to sample different things to see what you like and what you don't like, you could go and sample these items, and see what you like and don't like. And yeah, I mean, it's a great way to get started in the green beauty world. I think it's great. That's part of how I got started in green. I had been cruelty free for a long time, and then I just went over to the green side. So yeah, guys, but as I said, I would mention at the end of the video, I've been having a lot of reactions again from everything I've been using. The mast cell disorder is driving me crazy, and I have all kinds of issues with my stomach. Again, it's like I can't get over it, but at least I'm still hanging in there, and I'm still going to make videos. Okay, guys? So let me know what you think of these, if you would buy these products, or if you wouldn't buy these products. This one, I don't know if I would buy the full size because it's $76. Okay, guys? So take care. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay? Bye, guys.